As of this video drop, we have 2 of these Black Rollers 56.5 inch width capacity line pinch rollers with a 6 1/4 daylight opening. The bottom roller has a fixed height, while the top roller provides pressure via 2 pneumatic cylinders to either side. They are powered by a single phase 115 volt 1/2 horsepower motor. There is a pneumatic readout for height that is hand wheel driven. The rolls are in excellent plus condition.